Voodoo Manufacturing in Brooklyn, New York, is a fast-growing 3D printing business with an urgent need to automate the manual loading and unloading of plates in their 3D printing farm.
When we were looking for a robotic arm, we were looking for one that could do the tasks that we had for it, but would also be easily programmable and kind of get up and running very quickly. And so for us, the Universal Robot UR10 was a great option.
These robots are probably 5 times as cheap, or 1/5 the cost of a traditional industrial robot. We didn't have to have safety cages, light curtains, and other traditional safety measures needed because this is a robot that can work right next to you.
We run an 8-hour shift 5 days a week, and our factory is currently at about 20, maybe 30% utilization. So by running our printers and harvesting them with a robotic arm, we can increase their output by 3 or 4 times. And so for us, that's really important as we scale and want to keep kind of costs down. At full scale, we think we can probably use one arm to tend about 100 printers.
So the robot right now is actually running a lights out factory. It is running 24/7 harvesting printers. What the robot does is it will pull the plate off the printer for us, put it into a storage area, and then grab a new plate, and it will put that new plate on the printer and then cue the system and tell the printer to begin printing the next print on that plate.
We didn't have, a couple years to put something into R&D before it starts being valuable for us. We think that this system will pay back for itself in under 6 months. And that's just based by the cost savings and increased output that it provides. One important aspect for us in choosing the UR10 was that there were really good peripherals that we could use with it. So we chose the Robotique gripper, and it was incredibly easy to integrate with the arm. Really, after an hour of putting it on and playing with it, it was up and running.
When Axis was consulting with Voodoo on how to accomplish their goals in a timely fashion, I recommended the Robotique gripper because of the UR Plus certification. Having a UR Plus certified product means for the end user that there's no risk of having to troubleshoot and implement something. It's tested, it's proven. There was no concern over how it would interface. They were able to access the gripper software right on the teach pendant, which meant the integration was fast, efficient, and hassle-free.
The ability to program the robot with the teach pendant is fantastic to begin with. We looked at some different robots, and they also had very easy teach pendant type systems, but the problem was there was no system that was already built to automatically get integrated into that.
But this was really just the first step for us in introducing robotic automation into our factory. There are many other opportunities to automate different tasks, whether it is removing parts from the build plates, or cleaning them, or inspecting them for quality, or packing and shipping can also be automated. So we're really excited to go and actually start using robotics to do a lot of those tasks.